Students, I hope you all are well, healthy and safe at your home. I think everybody know that Christ King Convent School start online classes. I'm Mrs. Radhika, computer teacher. I'm going to teach computer to class 3rd. Before the explanation of chapter, let me tell you the syllabus of first term. So please take out your computer book and mark the chapters those are included in first term syllabus. Now this is the 3rd class book. Open the index page. This one. So please mark the chapter those are included in first term. First chapter, a computer system, and third chapter, GUI operating system and introduction. After that, take out the page number 3. The name of the chapter is a computer system. This chapter covered 3 topics. First topic is computer system. Second, what is a computer? And third, working of computer. So come on the first topic, computer system. Computer system, it carries 2 words. One is computer and second is system. Computer means to compute, to calculate something. Next, system. System means combination of components. And when we join these 2 words, computer system, which means combination of hardware as well as the software components. Now question is that what do you mean by hardware components and what do you mean by software components? So see in your book, hardware component means all the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware components. I again repeat, all the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware components, and as well as we are able to touch these components and feel these components. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitors, these all are in the category of hardware components. Second one is software component. Software component means it is a set of instructions given by the user that tells the computer hardwares what to do and how to perform a particular job. So this is the software components. Basically it's just a set of instructions. Now come on the definition. So the definition is computer system means combination of hardware as well as the software components. Now see in page number 3. Computer. Computer means compute, means to calculate, to count. System means collection or combination of components. So computer system means it is a combination of hardware as well as the software components. Now see here, this is a label diagram of computer system. These all are the components of computer. So start with the first component, that is monitor. Monitor means output device. Keyboard means input device. Mouse means input device. Printer means output device. CPU means processing unit. And at the last, speaker means output device. These all are the devices, these all are the components of computers attached with the computer. We can also say that these all are the physical components of the computer. Now turn the page, page number 4. This one. Now the second topic is what is a computer? So I think everybody know that the basic definition of computer, we start from the first class, that is computer is an electronic device or electronic machine. So before the explanation of this topic, I want to explain some basic definition related with this topic. So first definition is data. So data means it is a collection of raw, unorganized fact that includes words, numbers, sounds and images. Words means any word like Radhika, like help, like hello. These all are the words including in data. Numbers means any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 101, any number, any sound, any image. Now second is process. Process means an action which is taken by a computer on data to convert it into meaningful information. We call it as a process. So basically process is an action that is performed on data for to convert the data into meaningful information. Next is information. So information means the meaningful and organized form of data. We call it as a information. So these are the three basic definitions. First is data, second is process, and third is information. Now come on the topic, what is a computer? So the main work of computer is, firstly the user give the data to a computer. Computer will process the data. After that, computer will convert the data into the information. That is the useful content. And we also call it as a output. And this is the topic, what is a computer? So firstly the definition, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device or electronic machine which receives the data like input from the user, manipulate it according to the specified rules, that is a process, and convert it into information or result. We call it as a output. So in this topic we cover the three definitions. First definition is data, that is used in this definition. Second, process, also used in this definition. And third is information, also used in this definition. After that come on the fourth definition, that is the hardware. So I already explained this definition. I again explain. Hardware means all physical components, all physical parts attached to a computer. We call it as a hardware. So we are also able to touch and feel these hardwares, like keyboard. You are able to touch the keyboard. Like mouse, we are able to touch the mouse. So these all in the category of hardware components. Next is software. Software means it is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular job. And last definition is user. User means human beings, people. The person who uses the computer and the information generated by computer is called a user. So these are the two topics in this video I covered. The first topic is this one, computer system, and second topic is what is a computer. Now third topic, working of computer, I will explain in my next video. I hope you all understand. Thank you very much.